Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Ratna Yunita and our friend. I would like to say thank you for watching our presentation today. Let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Faiza Salwa. My partner is Evita Dwi and Faikoh Lulu. In this presentation, we will discuss about explicit information from the Islamic banking.
Definition: explicit information. Written information is understanding the meaning found in the news text, referring to the KBBI, which meaning letters can be interpreted as written. Predestined in the implied information are generally thought, opinion, and supposition of the reader when compiling the text. Merujuk dari KBBI, yang dimaksud dengan tersurat dapat diartikan sebagai telah tertulis, telah ditakdirkan, atau eksplisit.
Explicit information is clear, direct, forthright, and completely diffuse. Information written from a publication can be obtained directly through a text. Characteristic of explicit information. Number 1, meaning or message can be found directly in the text. Number 2, often used in academic or other field. Number 3, the information is presented more clearly because it is presented directly. Number 4, primary burial for using a direct word in the text. And the last, seldom used a literature. Jadi karakteristik informasi tersurat terdapat 5. Yang pertama, makna atau pesan bisa ditemukan secara langsung dalam teks. Yang kedua, sering digunakan dalam akademik atau bidang lainnya. Yang ketiga, informasi yang disampaikan lebih jelas karena disampaikan secara langsung. Yang keempat, pemaknaan secara primer karena menggunakan kata langsung dalam teks. Dan yang terakhir adalah jarang digunakan dalam karya sastra.
How to get explicit information. Number 1, read the text from start to finish carefully and thoroughly. Number 2, write down the main points of each paragraph, each from beginning to end. Number 3, understanding the context of the text. Number 4, stay focused on what you're reading. Example of written information. Number 1, during the COVID-19 pandemic that occurred in 2020, the level of profitability of Islamic commercial bank in Indonesia trended down, unlike in 2019, which experienced an upward trend. This was because during the COVID-19 pandemic, Islamic banks in Indonesia still had problematic financing level, even though not too big. Explicit information. Pandemic that occurred in 2020 result in the level of profitability of Islamic commercial banks in Indonesia trended down, unlike in 2019, which experienced an upward trend. Number 2, the Indonesian government projects that Indonesia's economic growth will decline sharply during the COVID-19 pandemic. This was conveyed by President Jokowi in the plenary cabinet session at the Bogor Presidential Palace, West Java, Tuesday. Explicit information. Indonesia's economic growth will decline sharply during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Next, there is a quiz. Untuk teman-teman yang dapat menjawab kuisnya, dipersilakan untuk menjawab. Thank you for attention. Hopefully everything we share is useful for all of us. If there is a word error, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.